How to buy go-kart online. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to purchase a go-kart online. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And without further ado, let's get started. So on your Google, just open your Google, and after that you can just search for a go-kart. So go-kart online is my recommended. So after you search that, this website will appear. Buy and top up go cards. So just click them, the trans link, and in there, this website will show you a bunch of website link on where you can buy go card at a retailer, on the phone, or online. So you can just click online if you want, and after you click that, you will be redirected to this website, and it's called TransLink. And right here, you will have an option to buy a go kart. So just click buy a go kart, and right there you just choose what type of go kart you want to buy. And after you choose it, just click continue. And after you click continue, you will need to provide your information details, and it includes your name, your address, and yeah, that's it, etc., etc. But you can see on the link on the top, it says translink.com.au. So it means that this website comes from Australia, and with that being said, you will need to have an Australian address in order to proceed. So that's the only catch of this method. So yeah, you cannot purchase outside Australian, or if you have an Australian address, you can use them. But for example, like me, I don't have an Australian address, so that my information is invalid. So in conclusion, you can only buy go card online if you have a Australian address. You can go to this website, and yeah, that's it. That's how you do it. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.